Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to charge the battery on this watch. Before we start, if you want to charge the battery on this watch, you will need a couple of things. First, you will need a charging cable that was provided with your watch. Looks something like this. You have one end that looks like this and the USB end. You will also need access to a computer or charging brick that you can plug in the USB end into. I'm gonna use this extension cable right here. This extension cable is plugged in into a charging brick that is plugged into a power outlet. And once you have the cable and the access to the computer or charging brick, you need to plug in the USB end into a power source like this, and then the second end you need to pick up your watch and plug this plug here to right here. You have 4 pins. You have the 4 pins in the plug. Just simply plug it in like that and the watch should start charging, as you can see. And once you're done charging the battery, you can unplug the plug and also unplug the second end from the power source. And that's how you charge the battery on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.